Back to our channel. I'm just here to because we have package arrived and see what it is. As what you can see on the title, ito po yung DIY gravel bike project natin for lockdown kasi hindi pa rin open yung mga shops and it's snowing here in the UK. So ito lang muna, bike parts check or bike check lang muna, parts check ng gravel project bike. Ito lang muna yung mga dumating pa. So naghihintay pa rin ako ng ibang mga parts. Pero parating na sila. I'm just waiting for it. Yeah. So first thing, let's go with I received a handlebar. This one's a what's this one? FSA handlebar. It says here 460 ang width niya. Tapos 31.8 ang clamping dito sa gitna. Medyo slope. So, medyo flared up konti. Di ko lang alam kung anong measurement nito pero I think mga 12 degrees yung flare. Pero nabili ko lang to sa eBay na panalunan ko sa bid. So, yeah. Okay. Ito yung una. Weight check lang muna tayo. Ito is grams. Teka lang. So, ito yung handlebar, FSA handlebar. 80 grams yung indicated. Magaan. And 460 yung width. Usually, ito yung first time kung gagamit ng flare or itong drop bar. Because I'm used to flat bar with a little bit 35-degree race. But this is my first time we'll be using a drop bar. And I tended to look for a 460 width because I tried the 440 and 420. Masyadong maliit para sa akin. So I'm trying to use the 460 width. And luckily, I found this on eBay. I forgot the price, but I'll post it on the video. So yeah, that's it. First one. Next would be I'd receive mechanical disc brakes. I have the TRP Spire. As you can see here, TRP Spire. This is also a second-hand or used mechanical brakes from eBay as well. I did a video of how to do maintenance on this if you'll be receiving a second-hand. I'll post it, I'll link it above. Let's just see here. I already opened this because I have to check. So this was the one that I've cleaned first. See, I already put a new pad on it. But I'll post the video. I'll link the video of the maintenance. And I can't do away. But I'll look for the links with regards to the weight of the brakes. Typical mechanical, but I prefer this dual piston brakes, mechanical brakes, other than single piston, because it tends to balance out the pads, the braking pads, and it will go pretty well with the frame. Alright, next one. Together with the TRP brakes, the seller graciously add the SPD pedals. I don't know what's the brand. I haven't cleaned this yet. Oh, this one says Shimano Ultegra SPD, both of them. So luckily I have new pads. Evidently you can see the wear of the pads, but well, di ako magko-complain kasi libre to, binigay din ng seller. So konting linis lang to, tsaka konting maintenance, konting oil, okay na. So let's put this one in the bag. Thirdly, let me see, some miscellaneous parts. I have here the disc brake pads for the TRP, and I already bought that's this here. Oh, here, brake and gear wires, inner wires and outer wires, outer cables with ferrules on it. And yeah, it's already included in the package. This also I bought in eBay. Next would be quite a lot, because I bought this item since December. I wasn't able to make any parts review, so I'm creating it now. Well, I also bought Shimano disc brake calipers. These are brand new. This will be going to my other build, or another upgrade to my existing bike, a mountain bike. There are two of them. Oh, sorry. This one's the brake caliper and the brake lever. The model is BLM 201. I also bought this in eBay. So hopefully yung ibang mga parts dadating na din soon. So we're just waiting for that. And lastly, I think this is the last. I think so. This is my frame. See? Weight check muna before anything else. And see. So this one is weighing 1.85 kilos, as you can see. 1.85 kilos. This is a Ridgeback Supernova Metro. Yun yata yung name niya. I bought this in eBay as well. Unused. I like the color. Yung unang na-attract ko sa kanya is yung color talaga. Kasi parang titanium yung dating, pero aluminum to. This is made of aluminum 6061. And this is, anong size nga ba to? Let's see. Ito pala. Size small, 17 inches, 43 centimeters. Yan. Ano pa? Nakita ko to sa online. Nag-research ako ng frame size niya. Usually ginagamit to for hybrid bikes. Pero ngayon, gagawin nating project bike, gravel project bike. And see how it goes. First time ko din na magdi-DIY ng bike frame. Gravel bike. Sabay sa uso. Kasi usong-uso ngayon yung gravel bike. Measurements. Let's see. Check lang. Kunin ko lang yung reliable na tape measure ko. So, one moment. Ito. So, yung from seat tube to head tube center, it's 53 centimeters center to center. Yung seat tube length naman is 43 as indicated. Tama. Yung chain length, ewan ko kung tama yung measurements ko, but so it will roughly around 10, 20, 30, 40, 44, 440 millimeter yung chain length. So excited lang ako gagawa. So ito lang muna yung dumating. And honestly, I'm excited to build this one. First gravel bike, first build ko, DIY build. And some of the parts are I'm just waiting. So I'll go into details once the build is in progress, okay? So usually in head tube, it will take a non-tapered straight tube, straight fork. But so I'm still waiting for that. Yung crankset din, BSA threaded bottom bracket. As you can see, may grooves. May dalawang bottle cage. External yung routing ng cables. And quick release pala to. Sorry. Quick release. The usual measurement, I think it's a 10 or 9 by 135 yung length sa likod. So ito, yan lang. I'm waiting lang for other parts to arrive. So don't forget, sorry. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the notification button and to see to be updated with the upcoming builds and upcoming parts to be put on this gravel bike. So I'm still waiting for the crankset, chainring, cassette, fork, stem, and the rest. So I'll keep you updated once it's here. So yun lang, hindi siya masyadong unboxing lang talaga. Tsaka, kasi ito pa rin yung first time kong na-check yung mga details ng parts na dumating. Meron pa pala isa dito. Ano pa rin ito? Brake levers for the upcoming, for the other build. So yun lang. Wait and see. So don't forget to tap the notification button, subscribe to the channel to help me out, and see you in my next video. Bye! Take care! God bless mga wonders!